So let's take care of this part right here by adding a plane towards view. Let's go up and rotate it. Before going to edit mode, let's go ahead and apply the scale. So it goes over here. Then from here to here, we need another plane. So I'm gonna simply duplicate this one. So Shift D, just click and grab this one, goes here. With face selection, let's go grab this, go past this joint. Let me see the statue thingy, yeah, about this much. And grab this part, goes here. So maybe a little bit more here. Grab these two edges and bridge edge loop. Grab this, go a bit more towards the axis. Yeah, let's go grab them all and E and Z. Now, let's go with the solidify. So, is it thick enough? Yeah, might be. So, I'm gonna keep it in this stage and the mirror modifier to the axis. Let's go for the neck from side view. So, we need a joint thingy right here and the neck. Let's see. So, use maybe a cylinder. Not bad. So let's first apply this scale. So Control and A, place scale, go to edit mode, and let's go ahead, add some inset, and maybe even delete this faces up and down, and insert an edge loop right in the middle, and bevel. Let's see that with the subsurf modifier. I want it to be kind of like a ring. So let's keep that and make the neck again with a cylinder. And let's see, where's this rivet thingy located? So we need to go past that. Kinda like this. So now we see this is a little bit too wide, maybe. First of all, let's rotate it a bit more. Kinda like this. And let's tighten this hole. Then extrude. E goes towards the z-axis and some edge support right there. The inside doesn't matter. Alright, so let's go and add some edge support for this neck thingy. Start delete the top and bottom, and maybe even add a solidify. We might see the inside, so this is too thin right now. Let's go maybe add something like this towards inside. By the way, apply that, back to edit mode. and simply grab all of these edge loops, Shift Alt left click and bevel, and then like this, and maybe add a couple of edge loops in the middle. So this one needs to go down and even squish like this. Same thing here. Maybe if I rotate the top, it's gonna match a little bit better. So let's grab all of this and maybe even use the shear tool, kind of match the rotation like so. Maybe let's do that for the ringy. So add subsurf to all of these and shade the smooth, shade the smooth. Let's make this one a little bit bigger at the middle right here. So I'm gonna add an edge loop right in the middle, then make it bigger like so. But for this one, let's go and enable the proportional editing. Make it a smaller, and then like this. Yeah, that's better, much better. Let's go to the side view and add some rivet. So let me go and add a cube. Let's make it really small. Scale it out. Let's say the bottom part. Yeah, kind of like this. And let's go to the edit mode after applying the scale. Let's go to edit mode and add a edge right in the middle. Delete the half and add a mirror modifier. Don't forget to enable the clipping. If I add a subsurf modifier right now, I'm gonna make it like a two-headed needle or something. So add 2 level of subdivision, then insert edge, push this edge kinda right here. Yeah, and let's go bevel this edge. The proportional editing is enabled, so let me go back, disable it. I forgot to make it disabled before adding the edge and moving to this side, so that's gonna cause problems. Go face selection, A, select all and make it smaller like that. Now let's go grab this new edge loop, bevel. You see that without subsurf modifier. So we need one right here. Grab this one and S, make it a bit bigger. Close them together a bit, like so. And go add another edge loop right here. No, I don't like it. Let's go over here, or maybe before scaling it, let's add another one. Then scale this one up. Push this one right here. Let's go add a little bit of crease. And a lot of crease, almost one, at this one. 2 edge loops right here. A bit. And let's make sure these are completely round. Let's go one by one. So it is, so no need to do that. It's too small. Make it at the, or put it at the center. And S, Shift, and Y. Alright, that's good. A little bit more round. So let's go apply it, maybe apply the subsurf and also mirror at the level 1. So apply to geometry. Let's go face selection, X-ray view and delete. Then add the mirror again. Clip in. Let's grab this vert, proportional editing, and let's grab this part. Make it more round. Now if I apply or add subsurf modifier, it's more like the concept. And shade smooth. Let's go put them in place. But for now, let's use Alt D for duplication. So this one is a little bit smaller, same as this one inside this beard arm. So I need to make two sets a little bit smaller without this curve at the end. So even I believe this one, where is it? Yeah, this one a bit different, or maybe not, just taller. Yeah. So this one, let's go Shift D, goes here. And let's go to the edit mode, grab all, go here. So one more here. Let me go and Shift D, this big one, and put it right here. Make it a bit small, kind of between these two sides. So this bar is not in the right place. Let's go Shift and right click in here, maybe here, and grab this bar, rotate based on to the cursor. And go like this. Same thing, this one. So Shift right there. What about this? Not bad. Alright, Now this spring holder thingy both sides, so one here and this one just a cylinder. So let's grab one of these and with Shift D put it here. Go to the edit mode. So let's go one by one, dissolve them. Alright, grab this, no need for crease anymore, and also way smaller than this right now. So scale and Shift Y. S, Shift Y. Go with something maybe like this. Yeah, kind of like that. And simply put a cylinder in the middle right here. So cylinder towards camera, where is it? Oh, up here. So let's go nothing at the end, nothing at the start, and towards view, and make it smaller right there. Let's put the 30 cursor at the middle of the word. Where is it? Cursor to our origin, and this snap pie selection to cursor goes up. Now it's in the middle. Let's see the size. Way too big. Kind of like that. Then scale in Z, local Z. So maybe it's a little bit too big. So and make it a little bit small and goes inside. Enter edit mode. And insert edge at the middle. Bevel this edge. Use it as support. Again, add some edge loops. Alright. Now it's time to add some support, add some sort of modifier to each part, and combine them together, put some name on it, and a light bulb in the middle, inside the shade. So let's start from bottom, right here. Right, the easiest way is to grab the sharp edges, kind of like this, and add a bevel to them, maybe this much, and to segment. Then change this corner to arc. Let's see all of that with subsurf modifier. It's gonna be quad all the way. Alright. Shade is smooth and we're good to go. I'm gonna do the same to other joints. Let's do the same thing to the bars as well, but is it hollow? I'm not sure. Yeah, from this angle, no, it's not hollow. So let's keep them solid like that. And it's the same deal basically. Grab all the edges, all sharp. So let's go bevel. And let's see, this is 0.5 bevel. And this is the result, basically. With the shader smooth, we have something like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and do all that to other bars. So for this one, we need to apply the solidify first. So apply the solidify, keep the mirror on top. Same deal basically. So 0.5. And that's the result. Shade smooth. So we might done with the modeling kinda, except for some spring and the light bulb. So these two, oh, we need one more of this rivets right here. This one, I believe, it's a different story. Don't have any good angle, yeah. So these two are the same as this one. So I'm gonna delete this one. So grab this and Shift D. Let's go up. You need to have something for the spring to grip on. Not bad. Maybe even a little bit wider. Enter edit mode. So let's go grab all and go out, out. Maybe this much. Let me enable the wire, solid wire right here, wireframe, and reposition this one right in the middle of that bar. So let's go make the light bulb. And it's easy if you're using cube and convert it to the sphere. So let's go right here and add 2 level of subdivision. So Control 2. Let me size the bulb. It's a little bit too big, so a little bit smaller, like so. And apply the scale. So apply scale right there. Enter edit mode. Oh, before do that, apply the subsurface modifier. And grab all the faces. Go to mesh and transform to a sphere. Alright, and back here we have these 4 faces. Let's go grab, do with the proportional editing, grab a bit like that. And again, transform to a sphere. Then flat towards x-axis, like so. And extrude. Let's add some edge support right there and right now. Let's go dissolve this one. Let's see that with the subsurface modifier first. Yeah, looks good. I need a little bit of inset right here. Then P and separate this part. So we has to screw to something. So let's make a lamp holder with this. First, let's go origin to selection, make it a bit bigger. Right there. And let's go enter edit mode. grab all the faces and extrude. I have to keep it right here, maybe even a bit bigger. Let's go right here, and maybe even shape that a little bit, so smaller at the start, and edge loop, a little bit curve right there, and grab this outer edge right there. Same deal at the end, and Ctrl B, like that. Inset, and let's go extrude in a bit right there. So see that with the subsurf modifier, maybe a bit more curve down here. So let's go make this one bigger. S and Shift X, I believe. Yeah. Go around here and grab this faces, grow the selection, and S, Shift X here. Now it's a bit thicker. So shade smooth for light bulb as well. Is it big enough? The whole light bulb? See that from side view, maybe here. Compared to that, maybe it's a little bit too small. So grab the whole thing, S, and a bit bigger goes inside right there. Let's add some material to this one. Make it shiny with no roughness. And maybe a bit of emissive. And also a bit of transmission. Right. And the lamp holder, that's white. Yeah. So let's add another material, make it rough, white, kinda, maybe a bit less right there. And let's use the same material as the shade and the base for all the new parts. So I'm gonna grab them all, holding Shift. Then at the end, Shift select, make this one active, and Control L, link material. Sensing a little bit distortion. It's not completely round, I believe. So let me isolate it and see the issue. We grab this and transform to a sphere. Now see the result. Yes, more like it. Let's see that without denoising. And maybe 100 sample. Right, looking good. I just need to combine some of this together. And also, you see I made it a little bit too big. Make the whole thing smaller before adding the rig. So I'm gonna apply all the mirrors and subdivision at the level 1, 2 based on. We see that. So maybe level 1 and we add subsource modifier later. Yeah, level 1 for almost all of them. It's good enough. Yeah, I'm gonna apply all of this at level 1 and I'll be back with the rig. In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and rename everything and combine them together, and also make the whole lamp smaller by selecting everything. Select the base at last and scale based on 3D cursor. So sit back and enjoy this time lapse.